Welcome to HSC Exam Success Secrets quick recap of the workshop we did few weeks back there, but it is exam time. You are about a few days to go. Let's get ready for a recap to be in a best shape. I know you all good and you get high marks, but with these tips and tricks you can go even higher. That's what you need when you need to get a high ATAR. You need to go above 90. Let's go through it. The first thing is a recap of how should you revise your stuff. I'm going to give you practical steps, not going into details because it's a 3 hours long workshop which we did it, so I'm going to give you in a few minutes. So as we described the revision in the workshop, I'm going to go through this one. So revise your things in journal, which is like a few weeks before you did it, and then we recommend use past papers when you're closer to the exam. So just focus only past papers because they will give you all the questions that normally come in there, give you confidence to that I can understand the concept, and they also tell you what's normal question come, what are the keywords they normally put there, because whoever designing a past paper, he cannot invent brand new, so he will be using the same similar kind of question. It will give you confidence that if I can do this one, it should be alright in the actual exam. And then you sit in a test exam. You can do at school. Some school organize that as well. You can do at home. Test exam mean you set the whole environment, table, chair, whatever is happening in exam hall, you set it in a closed door. You sit down and watch your everything and see, and then it'll be ideal if somebody mark it. Now we are ready for the exam. I'm going to go through what's important. Just remember, a human is a collection of 4 things as far as study concerned: your body, mind, and with these 2 you create emotions: calm, happiness, anger, stress, anxiety. These are all emotions happen based on the chemistry of your body and mind, and that emotions are very much related to your working energy. So if you are happy, your energy level is higher and you want to do things, you're positive, all kind of thing, you're less stressed. So just nutshell is your exam is not a brain work only, so you need to keep your body on a positive way. So what can you do then? Remember, your exams start from the night before, so don't study too hard there. Just feel contented, relax. Don't stimulate your brain to drink something before study whole night and you will sleeping in the exam. Do a lot of praise give you a little bit of touch on to keep your brain calm and you get a good sleep. Different religion and the culture have a different type of praise. I'm not going to go through it. Have enough sleep. I don't define enough sleep. You know how much you normally take, because the whole idea in the morning you want to be well rested, not yawning or feel tired, because the sleep give you rest, nothing else. So have enough. 6 to 8 hours, whatever you take, plan it accordingly. Go in a right position. If you're living alone or something, make sure you have a clock, or tell whoever is in your family to wake you up, because you want to have a nice easy morning time wise. Sleep on a right position. Your position where you feel rested in the morning, so I'm not going to go through those ones. You can mention in a comment what you do or miss something, a tip I didn't do and it works for you.